Assalamualaikum parents and students of Primary 5. Let us go through together a commonly asked question in paper 2, testing on common multiples. Let's take a look at the question. Mrs. Lee bought some cupcakes and cookies. The cupcakes were sold at 8 for $25 and the cookies were sold at 12 for $30. Mrs. Lee bought an equal number of cupcakes and cookies. She spends a total of $540 for all the cupcakes and cookies. How many cookies did Mrs. Lee buy? How do we know that this is a common multiple type of question? Because of this keyword here, equal number of cupcakes and cookies, and if we observe in one set of cupcakes and cookies, the numbers are different. One is 8, the other is 12. Therefore, to make them equal, we need to find the first common multiple of 8 and 12, and that is 24. Now, let's calculate how much does 24 cupcakes cost and how much does 24 cookies cost. 8 cupcakes cost $25. Therefore, the cost of 24 cupcakes, we can solve this by proportion. 8, how do we get 24? It is a multiple of 3. And do the same to 25 multiplied by 3, and we get $75. 12 cookies cost $30. Hence, 24 cookies cost from 12, we multiply by 2 to get 24. Do the same to $30, multiply by 2, and we get $60. Let us calculate the total amounts of 24 cupcakes and 24 cookies. That gives us 75 plus 60, that is $135. Hence, we need to know how many sets of these 24 cookies and cupcakes are there in $540. 540 divided by 135, we get 4 sets of 24 cupcakes and 24 cookies. Hence, the number of cookies that Mrs. Lee buy will be 4 multiplied by 24, and that gives us 96 cookies. I hope you find this video useful in helping you to solve common multiple type of question from paper 2. I'll see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye.